Welcome to Setup Mastery, your go-to channel for all things tech. Here, we explore the latest gadgets, unbox cutting-edge devices, and provide step-by-step installation guides to help you optimize your setup. Subscribe now and join our journey to master the art of perfect setups. In today's video, I'll guide you through the quick and easy process of setting up your BT11AC Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS method. It's the simplest way to improve your Wi-Fi signal, no app or browser required. Begin by unboxing your BT11AC Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender. Inside the package, you'll find the extender unit along with a quick start guide. Take a moment to review the guide for a brief overview of the setup process. To get started, plug your BT Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet located roughly halfway between your main router and the area where you're experiencing weak Wi-Fi. Ensure the spot is within strong range of your router's wireless signal for best results. To begin, locate the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router. This button is often labeled WPS and might require you to press and hold it for about 2 to 3 seconds. This activates the Wi-Fi protected setup process to easily connect devices. Within 2 minutes of pressing the WPS button on your router, head over to your BT extender and press its WPS button as well. The WPS light on the extender will begin blinking, signaling that it's attempting to establish a connection. After a few moments, the WPS light will turn solid. This means the extender is now connected to your router. You'll also see the signal strength light turn on. Green means good signal, amber is fair, and red means it's too far from the router. Your extender will now broadcast the same Wi-Fi network name as your main router, or it might have EXT added at the end. Connect to it with your phone or laptop and test the internet speed to make sure everything's working. If you run into any issues or need assistance, our team of experienced professionals is ready to help. Don't hesitate to reach out for support and guidance at any time. You can contact us at 1-323-507-3713. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully set up your BT11AC Dual Band Wi-Fi Extender using the WPS method. If you found this video useful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.